Okay, boys. What's that? What's that, Tom? Yeah. Okay, boys. Can you take it? I'll take it. Yeah, exactly. How you doing? You look like you're a little bit stuck by now. You go get that rope. How you doing, Nicole? Nicole, you doing it? The Sticky Waterfall?
Lovely! Woo!
Ollie, this way, all this way, please. In here. Grab the rope. Grab the rope properly. You pull it, pull it, pull it. That's it, now you got grip. You go.
You go first.
So did Ollie bang his friend. Well, that's because you should be over there, boy. You should always hold the rope. Okay? Always hold the rope. Hold the rope. That's it, good boy. Okay, keep going. I know. It's slippery by here. Hold on to the ropes and make your way up the slippery. All right there, all right, Tommy's going. Keep going, Tom, keep going. Okay, go on, slippery by here. Let's get the side there. Yeah. Ollie, hold the rope now. Good. How was that one? Okay for them? Oh really?
Yeah.
It's slippery, yeah? Thank you. Yes, we're going to go back down. Wait there, no running.